All right, so this is a tutorial on how to go about using the OS simulator, right? So for those who have not installed it as yet, you basically just go back onto your eClassroom, right? And under Final Project, you're going to get the link here to download OSIM, right? And you have to also install Java to run the simulator as well. So make sure you have that in mind. So once you have that done, this is how it will look when you open up. All right. So here you go to help, and over here has the exercises. So there are four exercises. So process scheduling, memory management, file system management, and disk management. So for each one that you go into, right? So the process scheduling exercises. So there are four exercises here. You choose one, right? And you do the simulation for that for the particular exercise. So for example, if you choose ready queue order, you click on the magnifying glass, right? And you can just like expand it out a bit. Right, that's the only thing with the simulator here. So once you expand out, they give you okay. So given exercise processes data, answer the question. So this is what the different algorithms that you would need to test, and this is the data that they provide here for you. Right. So how you go? So what I would suggest you do, you take a screenshot of this, right, and you paste it in a Word document, right? So you'll know like which question it is you are answering, right? Once you finish doing that, you can now go about with the exercise, right? So you could come to processes here, go to process scheduling, right? So notice this settings um, pop up comes up the menu. So you see multi-programming is checked. So the algorithms you have first come first serve, shortest job first, priority, and round robin. So you'll notice when you click for each one, you have preemptive. So the algorithm they would have asked you to do the tests on preemptive and non-preemptive. So you select accordingly. Right, so for the first one, we go with first come, first serve. You just click X here to close off, right? To add your processes, you're going to click on this plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you're going to name your processes now, right? So what you can do, once you have this open up, you can enter your data. So process one, right? Priority here in this case will be three, right? Submission stays at zero, and in total you have two CPU plus one two I, which is for input, and one CPU operation as well, right? So that means we're gonna have five bursts in total. So we come in here, so one, two, three, four, five. But notice this the third, so zero, one. So this is the first two. The second two, which will be two and three, will be input, right? And then four will be your output. You click done and you get it show up like this, right? You go to add your second process, so it's P2, right? Just to get a chance, right? So the priority here is one, right? You leave that as it is, and the boost is four CPU. So one, two, three, four. Click OK. This is how it looks like, right? The next one will be P3, priority of nine. So we go P3, priority of nine, right? And then the boost will have been three CPU, two input, and two CPU. So three CPU, two input, so we can do across those one time, and then two CPUs. So you have seven in total. Click OK. Click done, sorry, you get that priority come up here, right? So you will see how it is structured. Your last one will be 5 CPU priority 10. So we add, so process 4, priority 10, and we have 5 CPUs. Click that. So once you have this screen here, you take a screenshot of this, the whole entire thing, right? Paste it in your Word document. So this is to show a before, and then you're going to see an after in terms of analyzing the data, right? So once you take your screenshot, you click on play, and it's going to run the processing for you. Right, once it is finished, so you're going to see that they are still in your ready queue. Once everything is finished, you're going to get a pop-up, right? Simulation has reached its end, cancel to continue, right? So as you click OK, right, you come here now. This is where you will see the data and statistics, right? And over here, this is what you're going to take a screenshot of. So this is what you have to analyze. So it tells you which process went first, right, in the first come first serve, right, and the priority that they were at, right. So this is where you take a screenshot of and you do your analysis, right, for it, right? So to do the other one, right? So the second algorithm, which would be the shortest job first, non-preemptive. So basically, you just click on the stop sign, right? You click on the settings, and you are going to now select shortest job first, right? So we could do the non-preemptive first. Sorry, click back. So over here now you're going to see the change that was made, right? So it is non-preemptive, right? If you click on the question mark icon, you're going to get a little description of what the process scheduling is about, right? So this is something that you can look at as well, right? So once you're finished, you click play, right? Click OK, and again, remember to take the screenshots of every algorithm that you're doing, a before and an after, right? So the after will be the screen here, which will show you your data to analyze, right? So once you take the screenshot there, you click stop, right? You go back to settings, and you're still leaving it on shortest job first. You go to preemptive, close off. So you're going to see the settings change here, and you're going to run the simulation. Right. So once your process has finished run, you click OK, you view your statistics, take a screenshot again, right? Paste it in your document, right? And you do that for the rest of the algorithms, right? Which would be your priority algorithm, non-preemptive and preemptive, and your round robin algorithm, which quantum one, right? So next we're going on to memory management, right? So I'm going to stop this altogether, right? And we could go to memory management now. Click OK. So in memory management, sorry, we should go to the exercise first, right? So we go to memory management, right? So again, you have four exercises here. You choose one, right? So if you go with the first one, fixed size partitions, allocation policies, right? Take a screenshot of it, all right, with the data and all, paste it in a Word document, and you could go about running your simulation, right? So, given exercise processes data, answer the questions, fill in the table indicating which processes are located in partitions according to allocation policy, how much memory is wasted, right, for each policy, and what is the advantage of first fit compared to the others, right? So, once you have that, you go to your partition here, so you right click on the main memory block here, you partition. So you're going to follow along with what it is you are partitioning. So let's kind of right bring that across here. Right. So for memory management, so you're starting at 4, right? 14, 19, 23, 38, 48. Right? So they give you the data here. So right click, partition in, start at 4, right? How much units? It will be 10, right? So you're going to see that change here. Then you're going to start at 14,